So hello everyone, this is Mr. Fu, and this is my FTMO challenge that I just bought. You can see over here on 2nd of July. So I'll be documenting my FTMO trading journey. So since I bought the account this way, you can see my equity has started from 100,000 and it dips to about 98.8k, and it recently got back to 99k. So mainly I took two trades for this week, as you can see below. I mainly took a trade on 2nd of July and 4th of July. So I'll be sharing more details about them now. So this is the first trade that I took for this week. So I saw this level over here. You can see 1.36475. Price rejected from this level twice strongly. Price rejected and moved like in a strong direction away, and it also rejected it on the orange line here, 1.363. So this is quite usually my trading style is support and resistance. So once the resistance got broken on the retest, I expect it to become support. So when you go down to the lower time frame, you can see that the price rejected here last, and my entry is somewhere here with a take profit of about here. So the reason why I took I entered around here. Okay. So the reason why I took this trade, previously I showed it was rejected in the past before around 1.36475 twice, and it also rejected from this orange line strongly. So the breakout was also clean, as you can see. The breakout was a strong move away from this level, which is what I like to see. So on the retest on that day itself, price exceeded the average true range, so we can calculate how much price has moved for a single day. So usually the average true range is measured how much the price will move, how much the average price will move in the past 20 days or 30 days depending on your settings. So on that day itself, on the 2nd of July, price dropped very swiftly into the level. By the time price reaches my entry level, price has already moved 125 pips, and the average true range is usually about 100 pips. So it has already exceeded the usual daily candle size, which means it's a good opportunity to go for a reversal in my opinion. So I enter with a stop. I used the pink color box. I enter on this H1 candle, and I put my stop below the H1 candle, and I got stop out. I got stop out for this trade for, as you can see, for about $1,400. I scale in, so these three trades are actually all the same trades. I scale in a bit, and I got stop out. So moving on to the second trade of the week, I have this level over here. This is just pound Aussie on the 4th of July, which is Friday. Same, I trade support resistance. So this was the last. It was a nice support here, acted a bit of support here and a bit here. So price broke the level strongly again. You can see when they break, the price moved violently away. So I waited for price to come back on a retest. I look for a short. So this is around where my entry and take profit is, somewhere about 1.4 or so. So yeah, that's basically how I trade for the week. Usually I just mark out support and resistance levels, and usually I love it when the breakout is clean. So when the breakout is strong move, like when it broke, it must move strongly away. I'll just wait for the retest to play a mean reversion trade to So for this trade, I took it. My take profit is the previous daily high, the previous day high basically. So it's around here, and price bounce and slowly drifting backwards up. Yeah. So that wraps up my trade, all the 2 trades I took for this week. So I also make some plans for the upcoming week that I would like to share, so that we can see how accurate my forecast is. Usually I like to do my trading forecast during the weekends, because usually like now is the weekends. When it's the weekends, the price is not moving, and I have more time as well. I have better clarity of thoughts. So yeah, this is my forecast for the upcoming week. So you can see this is a pretty straightforward support and resistance trade. This is the Euro Aussie. Price rejected from it here, and rejected from it here, rejected from it here. So just waiting for price to break out strongly and go for retest. Hopefully if the breakout is clean, maybe we get a trade, maybe we not. We shall see what next week brings. Another trade I have marked out is New Zealand JPY. Same concept. It acted as resistance, as you can see. Acted as resistance here, and yeah, acted as resistance here as well. Acted as resistance quite a lot of places. So wait a breakout trade, but we need to wait. So usually for this type of trades, I'll just set my alerts and wait and see if the structure is clean on the breakout. And also have a Euro Canadian over here. So nice rejection, and another smaller rejection, and then once it broke out, it moved strongly away. So I like to beat this level if it comes swiftly. And there's also a nice level around here, 1.5938. If the price breaks and go for a retest, maybe I can look for a short. So another forecast I have is pound Canadian. So same concept, price bounce and bounce. So a nice level here. So I wrote here one touch, and basically I say one touch means price reacted strongly one time. This is not really a strong reaction, but it's nice. It's a nice move away, so I like it. And I also have a small H1 cluster here, so I just wrote H1 cluster. So this is another of my setup that I have, and my last forecast for the upcoming week is this level. I think this is my favorite for the upcoming week. So you can see pound Swiss price consolidated here, and during this week it moved strongly away. So if we get an opportunity on a rounded retest the next week, I'm interested to put some offers there, like put some shorts to get into some short positions. So you can see that price rejected from it on the orange line. In the orange and black line is about the same. So it's got a few touches. I like it. So if price comes back up, I'll look for a short, and maybe play it to somewhere here. So that's it for my forecast for this week. Basically what I want to do with this trading YouTube account is to just document all my trading journey, starting with this 100K FTMO challenge account. Hopefully I can make myself more disciplined. I'll put all my forecasts and record every trade that I take. So if you like this type of content, please follow along. So thank you. I'll see you in the next one.